A healthy workforce, they say, is a productive workforce. This is why the Lagos State Universal Basic Education Board, Lasubeb, always ensures its workforce is healthy at all times. It is against this background that the Lasubeb organized a health week. At the opening ceremony of the Medical Screening Week, the chairman of the board, Dr. Akim Shitu, in his remarks said the essence of the gathering is to ensure the well-being of staff and also encourage them to live a healthy lifestyle.
A lot of us believe in work. The most important thing in life is our health. Health is what we use to do with health. It's what allows people to function well. So I want us to all take advantage of this opportunity to ensure that we present ourselves for every test we need to do. Some also like maybe they don't want us to function to do, and so we want to run away from the blood test or for them to take our blood sample. I think we should just avail ourselves this opportunity to ensure that we partake at every stage of this exercise, so that we actually get to know the status of our health.
Dr. Oluwaseun Akindasa, the head clinical services, clinics healthcare, while giving a presentation said so many cancers are caused due to lifestyle choices and bad habits.
Number one is lifestyle. Everybody, please say lifestyle. Lifestyle. I wish we can project the image we have here for us. The image I have is of that of a man smoking cigarettes. Recently, I did a research. There was more tobacco day earlier this year, and I discovered that in one stick of cigarettes, when one puff of smoke comes out, we have over 60 chemicals in that single puff of smoke. Each of those chemicals can cause cancer, and each of those chemicals are harmful to the body. That's just from one puff, of cigarettes. So talk about smoking the entire stick. And a lot of people smoke different things. I've seen people that inhale rubber, people inhale soak away, people inhale so many things, yes. So, number one thing that affects health is lifestyle. Too much drinking, too much sitting in one position, all those are lifestyle. Then we talk about environment. Your environment matters. You're about to say, thank you, Mas. So your environment really matters. There's an environment you can have that would help mosquitoes to grow very well. There's an environment you have that does not even have any place to hide. So your environment also determines your health. The last thing I will mention is your biomedical makeup, your genetic makeup. What did you inherit from your father? What did you inherit from your mother? What did you inherit from your grandparents?
It is obvious that men from 40 and above we likely have that symptom of prostate enlargement. Can you give us maybe the drug?
For prevention, tomato helps a lot. Eating raw tomatoes helps men a lot. You can even use it to make smoothie. Tomato is a food that fights cancer naturally, not just for men. You can blend it, you can eat it raw, but eating raw and uncooked tomatoes really helps with prostate cancer. There's been a lot of research into that. So, they say food is medicine. So, number one is eating lots of tomatoes. Then there are supplements that can help also.
Members of staff took part in the various medical screening and also commended the management of Lasubeb for organizing the Health Week.
Most of us, as the board chairman earlier said, that until there is a sharp symptom that will rush to the hospital, but that should not be the case. There is a saying in Yoruba, either you like it or not, the office will see the end of you. So it's better you take advantage of your health. Go for your checkup.
A healthy mind is the mind that will be able to concentrate on whatever they are doing, and they will be productive. If you are not healthy, then you can't get anything out of them. So it behoves on us to ensure that we keep our workers in good health and encourage them to be in good health, to create conducive atmosphere for them and then give them opportunity to be able to explain this kind of thing.
The Health Week is an annual program of Lasubeb. In another development, Lasubeb organized the maiden edition of the Basic School Sports Competition. The school children took part in various sporting activities such as athletics and football. Winners went home with trophies and medals.
Sports as of today is an endeavor. In fact, if you ask me, it's an entrepreneur. The likes of your coaches and the likes of the new ones who are playing now, they start from all of this. Athletes, we have so many of them like that. So we are encouraging and we are still appealing to them to begin to partake in sport at all times. Not just for money making, it will keep them fit.
We really want to catch our children young in the area of sports. Not that you just sit down in the class and be reading. But you have to be, there must be another curriculum, extra curriculum that at least can bring up the mental of our children and even in the future, where they can excel. So you can see today, athletics, football, and some other programs were carried out before and now. You can see us giving them certificates and medals. So it's for the advantage of our children.
We are catching the pupils young. If we catch them young, we don't know who is going to be a champion, a footballer, an athlete, the great one in future. So I'm very happy that we were able to organize this.
This is the first edition, and I planned, I trained, I prepared to win it, to have it in my record, and God have it as I have planned. And I just have to tell them they should not stop it. It should be an annual program, as in it will help and promote these our young talents, because we have many of them in our schools.
I feel very happy, and I have not carried this cup before, so I'm very happy. I would like to say thank you to Subem for giving us this cup.
The Basic Education School Sports is a Universal Basic Education Commission's initiative.